Hello all. In today's video, we will learn about the acute respiratory distress syndrome. What is it? What are the causes? What are the risk factors and how to manage a case of acute respiratory distress syndrome? Acute respiratory distress syndrome is a lethal respiratory disorder in which blood oxygen level falls to critically low levels due to inappropriate exchange of gases across the alveolar membrane. The alveolar sacs are filled up with fluid which hinders the transfer of gases. The resultant hypoxemia, which is low oxygen saturation in the blood, and hypercapnia, which is high carbon dioxide in the blood, cause tissue hypoxia, and if not controlled promptly, with supportive therapy may progress to multiple organ failure. In the current pandemic caused by SARS-CoV-2, the cause of death is acute respiratory distress syndrome. Acute respiratory distress syndrome may develop at any age. It may occur in neonates due to the failure of surfactant secretion or in adults due to an underlying critical illness such as pneumonia, septicemia, inhalation of toxic substances, and the direct massive injury to the pulmonary tissue. Now, who are at risk of developing acute respiratory distress syndrome? All the individuals above 65 years are more prone or more vulnerable to develop acute respiratory distress syndrome. Smokers, people with chronic obstructive lung disease, people with cirrhosis or chronic liver disease, and alcoholics. They are all vulnerable to develop acute respiratory distress syndrome. The clinical features of this syndrome include shortness of breath, rapid and labored breathing, clicking, bubbling or rattling sounds in the lungs on auscultation, palpitations and low blood pressure, fatigue, weakness and confusion, and cyanosis, which is blue discoloration of the skin due to underlying hypoxia. How to diagnose acute respiratory distress syndrome? As in all other diseases, medical history and physical examination is the most important. Measurement of blood oxygen levels and complete blood picture, blood culture, etc. also help. Chest X-ray and CT scan if required, electrocardiogram and echocardiogram to rule out a heart disease. Now, how to manage a case of acute respiratory distress syndrome? The most important treatment is oxygen therapy to prevent tissue hypoxia and organ failure. Oxygen may be administered through a mask or by mechanical ventilation. Fluid and electrolyte balance with close monitoring of input and output. Antibiotics to treat infection. Analgesics and anti-inflammatory drugs to control pain and reduce inflammation. Anticoagulants to prevent clotting of blood in severe cases. In the recovery phase, exercise and lifestyle modifications are recommended to improve respiratory capacity. The risk of acute respiratory distress syndrome can be reduced by employing the following measures. Medical assistance in case of severe injury or illness, avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke, avoid alcohol, getting flu and pneumonia vaccines as recommended. I hope this will help you in understanding of the acute respiratory distress syndrome. Thank you so much for listening.